Hi and welcome to 60-second face yoga. I'm going to show you a wonderful technique which helps to lift, firm, particularly make the cheeks glow. So it's good to wash your hands before you touch your face, or you can actually use a little bit of hand sanitizer if you're on the go. You're then just going to take your index finger and your middle finger and come right under the cheekbone here, right into the muscle, press and lift off, and just work all the way up underneath the bone. And as you do, this is going to help to stimulate the muscle, to help it lift and firm. You're also helping to boost the circulation as well. So you're bringing all the fresh blood and nutrients and oxygen up to the skin surface. Also, by doing this technique, you're boosting your collagen and elastin, which are the natural plumping agents that we have in our skin. And after you've done this exercise, when you look in the mirror, you should notice that your cheeks have a wonderful rosy glow.